Hi everyone, welcome to my channel S3 Media. Today we are going to discuss the AMU B.Ed entrance previous question paper in the year 2019. In this video, we are going to discuss 25 questions from the area teaching aptitude. First question, what is teaching aptitude? Option A, possession of requisite teaching abilities to be a teacher. Option B, devotion towards teaching profession. Option C, desire to excel as a teacher. Option D, good communicative skills. Correct answer option A, possession of requisite teaching abilities to be a teacher. Next question, team teaching has the potential to develop option A, cooperation. Option B, competition. Option C, bridging the gaps in each other's teaching. Option D, supplementing the teaching of each other. Correct answer option D, supplementing the teaching of each other. Next question, audio visual aids help dash students in the class. Option A, slow learning. Option B, intelligent. Option C, playful. Option D, curious. Correct answer option A, slow learning. Audio visual aids help slow learning students in the class. Fourth question, which one of the following is true about the ways of learning for students? Option A, speed of learning is same for all students. B, each child has a unique learning style. C, children follow the way other students learn. D, all children immediately follow the teacher's instruction. Correct answer option B, each child has a unique learning style. Fifth question, the mental age of a child is equivalent to his or her chronological age. It means that child is option A, genius. Option B, above average. Option C, average. Option D, below average. Correct answer option C, average. Sixth question, the most important challenge before a teacher is option A, to maintain discipline in the classroom. Option B, to make students do their work. Option C, to prepare question paper. Option D, to make teaching learning process enjoyable. Correct answer option D, to make teaching learning process enjoyable. Seventh question, the best way of memorization is to option A, read loudly. Option B, understand the concept. Option C, know the concept. D, apply the concept. Correct answer option B, understand the concept. Next question, to check the downfall of standards in education, it is essential to have option A, good training of teachers. Option B, parental awareness towards students' homework. Option C, qualitative improvement in education system. Option D, more number of teachers. Correct answer option C, qualitative improvement in education system. Let's move to the next question. The essence of effective classroom environment is option A, variety of teaching aids. Option B, lively student-teacher interactions. Option C, pin drop silence. Option D, strict discipline. Correct answer option B, lively students-teacher interaction. 10th question, a teacher can be successful if he or she option A, helps the students to become better citizens. Option B, imparts subject knowledge to students. Option C, prepares students to pass the examination. Option D, presents the subject matter in a well organized manner. Correct answer option D, presents the subject matter in a well organized manner. Next question, a teacher meeting his students for the first time should option A, develop a rapport with the class. Option B, start teaching without caring the students' like and dislikes. Option C, give a broad outline of the whole subject. Option D, both B and C. Correct answer option A, develop rapport with the class. Next question, if the students are using abusive words in the classroom during their interval time and you heard that, then you should option A, inform the principal to do the needful. Option B, Give punishment to the students so that they may not repeat it. Option C. Avoid it as it is not affecting you. Option D. Pursue them decently and give proper warning. Correct answer. Option D. Pursue them decently and give proper warning. Next question. Teaching and learning process should be option A. Teacher centered. Option B. Learner centered. Option C. Curriculum centered. Option D. Society centered. Correct answer. Option B. Learner centered. Next question. Which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? Option A. Knowing. Option B. Understanding. Option C. Evaluating. Option D. Analyzing. Correct answer. Option C. Evaluating. Next question. The most appropriate purpose of learning is option A. Social and political awareness. Option B. Modification of behavior. Option C. Personal adjustment. Option D. Preparing oneself for employment. Correct answer. Option B. Modification of behavior. Next question. If majority of students in a class are weak, the teacher should option A. Ignore bright students. Option B. Focus on weak students only. Option C. Focus on bright students only. D. Focus on entire class with extra guidance to bright students. Correct answer. Option D. Focus on entire class with extra guidance to bright students. Next question. A teacher can keep backbenchers attentive by option A. Scolding one of the backbenchers. B. Punishing one of the backbenchers. C. Frequently asking questions to the backbenchers. D. Ignoring the backbenchers. Correct answer. Option C. Frequently asking questions to the backbenchers. Next question. Mr. William, a teacher of English, notices that a few backbenchers in his fourth period have a tendency to start eating before the bell for recess rings. What should he do to address this minor misbehavior? Option A. He should go to the back of classroom and stand there till the bell rings. B. He should make a stern face that communicates his disapproval to misbehaving backbenchers. C. He should use hand signals to communicate to misbehaving backbenchers. D. He should ask misbehaving backbenchers to meet him in recess. Correct answer. Option A. He should go to the back of classroom and stand there till the bell rings. Next question. John shows sensitivity to the physical world, which includes the balance of plants, animals, and the environment. He is a keen observer of nature's elements such as daily, seasonal, and cyclical changes. As a teacher cum counselor, you would not suggest him which one of the following career options. Option A. Geologist. B. Herbologist. C. Meteorologist. D. Therapist. Correct answer. Option D. Therapist. Next, if a student calls you on your mobile late at night, you would option A. Switch off the mobile. B. Attend the call and later explain him the appropriate time to call. C. Ask someone else to attend the call. D. Ignore the mobile ring. Correct answer. Option B. Attend the call and later explain him the appropriate time to call. Next, a teacher who is incapable in sustaining the attention of her students should option A. Switch to dictating notes. B. Distribute handouts. C. Change her class. D. Evaluate and change her teaching method accordingly. Correct answer. Option D. Evaluate and change her teaching method accordingly. Next question. If you are unable to answer a question asked by the students, what will you do? Option A. Confuse him or her by wrong answer. B. Will say that the question is illogical. C. Find out the answer later and tell the student. D. Ask the student's best friend to find answer. Correct answer. Option C. Find out the answer later and tell the student. Next question. Effectiveness of teaching has to be judged in terms of option A. Learning outcomes of students. B. Attendance of students. C. Performance of students in extracurricular activities. D. Extent of teaching aids used by teacher. Correct answer option A. Learning outcomes of students. Next question. When a student is absent from the classes for a long time, what will you do as a teacher? Option A. You will try to know the reason of his absence. B. You will remain indifferent to that. C. You will send a warning letter to him. D. You will complain to the principal. Correct answer option A. You will try to know the reason of his absence. Next question. Which of the following is the correct attitude of a teacher towards students? Option A. Supremacy. B. Sympathetic. C. Outspoken. D. Being tolerant. Correct answer option D. Being tolerant. Here we discussed 25 questions from the area Teaching Aptitude in the AMU B.Ed Entrance Question Paper 2019. And in the upcoming videos, we can discuss another areas. Hope you understand. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.